The online resource that I have chosen to share is Quizlet. Quizlet is a mobile and web-based study application that allows students to study information via learning tools and games. To get started, you can either sign up or log in if you already have an account. Since I already have an account, I'm just going to log in to get started. As you can see, you have the ability to create a study set that covers specific materials for your classroom, discover by browsing popular study sets created by other Quizlet users, or to search different sets that you may use for your class. For example, we'll search shapes. Lots of different shape sets pop up, and you can just browse through these and see which one works best for your class. We'll start by clicking on the first one. Students have the option of picking one of the 8 ways in order to practice this material. We'll start with the flashcards. The student looks at the shape, thinks about it, clicks on the bottom, and the answer is shown on the back side. If the student wants to hear the answer, the student can click on the word
pyramid,
and it will read it to them if they don't know how to say it. And then they can move on to the next card. The student flips the card over,
oval,
listens to the way it's said. Another tool that students can do is the writing tool. Students would type in their answer and then click answer, correct. And then you could press any key to do it.
triangle,
And listen to it as well. Now, if a student doesn't know the answer, they say we put square here. You would click answer and it's incorrect, and it tells you what the correct answer is.
pyramid,
You can then go back and go so forth on down the line. This is the application of Quizlet.